At least I just said to Danmar Yo, Danmar, I say to you, you have to deactivate the fake account of Rodelio Daguman. Because, for me, I don't want to fight with you, because I know Kuya Bear is asking to you, you need to stop this. For me, um, you should not ruin Cedric Mariano because Cedric is non-political. Like you, if you talk about politics or if you talk about nonsense, how would you talk politics? I never drink Milo anyway. Me, I always drink, what is that? I always eat oatmeal. Danmar, don't talk about politics. Some people, they call you abnormal, or some people are calling you notorious. I'm not saying abnormal, they calling you notorious. I'm just urging to those Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos, Eskel Penumbra, Dan Mardayaw, Sangkay Janjan, Romeo TV Vlog, Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan, Ate Dina Guillermo, and even the other Marcos loyalists who wants to create trolls. Please, all of you, change yourself. Oh, Kuya Bear is warning at all of you. If you create the trolls, if you create a fake account, that is a punishable. Oh, that Eskel Penumbra, he never listened to his wife, Teacher Kel. Even Dan Mardayaw, he didn't listen to his mother. That's misunderstanding. Oh, it's not good. Look at Roylan Mardang. Roylan never create fake account on Facebook. Oh, he doesn't create too much fake account. Roylan, he never want to make enemies. This is hard to say when you make enemies at Rodelio. You're trying to accusing him without any reason. He's a cerebral palsy. How would you say if he talks about politics? Ano bang ginawa ni Rodelio Daguman? What is problem? Did he even talk about politics? Ano bang ginagawa ni Rodelio? Ano bang pinagsasabi ni Rodelio? Like I said, nothing. He has nothing to talk about politics. He's non-political. This is hard to say to all of you. Stop politics. For me, I do not too much talking about political agenda. Alright? I don't talk politics. At least Ate Nenet's store was closed, so I didn't open there. You know, Danmar, have yourself to be learn about your consequence. After Holy Week, you should learn your consequence too. Thanks to J. Rick Silva, thanks to Kuya Bear, the ones that they said to you, you should learn about your consequence. I am telling you, you need to stop. Uh, oh, if I was a member of Fans Inclusion Philippines, when I joined with Roydan Marlang, you need to stop. Oh, you need to stop creating fake account or dummy account to troll at Kuya Rodelio Daguman, to harass him. Either what you are doing, it is not right. Kawali Coronel is already dead. He died in COVID-19. Since without Kawali Coronel, I was taking over this advocacy not to harass everyone. Danmar, I say to you, don't harass Rodelio Daguman. people there are cerebral palsy. Danmar, are you blind? Danmar, oh, if those people who are talking at those things are not really good to harass Cedric Mariano, Rodelio has nothing to do with Cedric because he's busy in vlog. Rodelio Daguman is busy on doing his work in Muntinlupa City Hall. Sir Rodelio Daguman is busy. And I said before, everyone are busy. Stop this politics, Danmar. I know I want to threaten you to shoot you a pellet gun. You talk about politics during an Holy Week. After Holy Week, it's Easter Sunday. You need to change yourself for all of you. Those Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos. Even Ate Dina Guillermo, Eskel Penumbra, Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo, Jim Macasandil, and even Paulo Cruzada, and even the others who were Marcos loyalists, even Sangkay Janjan and Romeo TV Vlog, and Dan Mardayaw. All of you should learn how to be responsible in social media. Not too much talking about politics. Kuya Bear doesn't like to talk about politics. He talks about how's his Holy Week. It's fine. He talks about the Holy Week. This is hard to say, Danmar. You are Catholic. You should never tell a lie. When Roy Danmar lang was there, he said to me, hindi po yan si Rodelio Daguman, that's a fake account. Hindi po siya, wala naman ginawa si Kuya Rodelio, walang ginawang kung ano-ano, like what he said before. He doesn't do anything. Alright? You know, for me, when I talk to Rapasoko, I never make fake account. I apologize, Rapasoko, for what I did to him. I talked to the Integrated Center Pyang that I apologize, Rafa, sincerely. I don't want to harass Rafa. I just want to leave him alone. It is better to you, Dan Mardayaw. And even Cedric Mariano. Don't create too much trolls. Alright? Learn how to move on from Rodelio Daguman. Even you, Eskel Penumbra, you should learn how to move on from me. You're always disrespectful when you say to Teacher Kel, how did I know? You say about negatives. It's not good.